So let's have a quick recap what we have gone through. Very fast off. At the very beginning, we jump start with the Power Query, how we're able to load the data in either from a CSV file or within the same Excel file. A lot of things can be done just by using right click on the header. If any mistakes I have done, how can I undo? Cross on what? What tab? And that's called applied steps. Yeah, the one on the right side. And then we learn about ROCK. It's a good time for us to reflect on that. And then you can see why we are learning all those things. At the very beginning, we quick overview how the data looks like, just like this one. Okay, and then we check on, there's more details, individual cell. And then we go for fine tuning and search for individual character, uppercase, lowercase, case sensitive, just like this one by one. So surface, then check on the details and go for the modular level. Therefore, we have ROCK. R stands for rectangle. There are three things normally people tend to look for. There are no blank rows, column of no blank rows and columns. You can refer to the book. The book is used. You can check a lot of things from the table of content. Is on the Roman letter number 11. X1. X1 is number 11. Table of content. Rectangle, vertical table, no blank rows and columns, no merge. Yeah, these are the three things. Dapat lah? Okay, good. O stands for? Yes, only one. So what are the things only one? One table, one sheet, one header, one row, one constant header, one record, one row, one data, one cell, one data, one meaning. One data, one meaning we do not cover. Last time I encountered this situation is a case of a real story. Because of these mistakes, the evaluation score get lowered. They did not aware until I checked on this one, because the person asked me to do some automation, and their performance appraiser, they have a 0. 0 means the person is not applicable or the person score horribly. So they use a 0 to have true meaning. If the person do not applicable, starting score 0, right? Average out, habis lah. That's it. So after that, macam ni punya kah? They say, aloh lah, inilah. So they realize, so therefore I put it inside the book. It's a real story. Then we go for the next one. C for careful. So we have more things inside here. We have data values. What are the three main data values or data type in the book? We have number. It has three data types. What are they? You can refer to the book, yeah. Number, text, date, time. Yes, thank you. And sometimes you need to be careful with the formula. This is something for you to read on. And in certain situations, company make losses of millions because of hidden rows and columns. They don't know. Oh, are they hidden? They don't care. I get the data, whatever you provide, that's it. And sometimes you need to be careful about the different file type. CSV file and Excel file. Last time I heard this as a ghost story. It's a real ghost story. This person said, every time I download the report, I do halfway. After I save and close, the next time I open, all the thing gone. Yoga. That month is 7 months. Ghost month. Yoga. And the ghost. Okay, yeah. Then show me how you do this. And the person show. After that, I'm about to say, chup. The file is CSV file. CSV file cannot save formula, cannot save chart, nothing. The person presumes CSV file and Excel file, they are the same. Actually, they are different. Yeah, so just be careful about different file. And sometimes the data file we may have saved in another location. So that's external data file location. And sometimes the data is not refreshed. So we still get the old data. Duplication is also a common one. And we can have some discrepancy on the data. So this one you can read on is something extra. So this is something we'll be careful about. And the last one, K stands for? Yes, keep raw data raw. So we do not, can we change data directly? No. Can we add a column in between our data? No. Can we use color? No. Yeah, these are the common things we don't do. And the bonus is something we have learned is about versioning, something worth for you to apply. It really helps you to make your file easier to manage. So this one is a quick reference. It will show you what to do and what to avoid, and how to do, and how the step depends on situation. So what we have learned today is using Power Query to apply ROCK. Hopefully this one is able to make your work a little bit easier.